everyone, this is Dr. Tracy K. I wanted to wish all of you and your family a happy Thanksgiving. And thank you so much for being a customer and checking out our products. And don't forget, we have some Black Fridays going on, up to 70% off. And we also have a Friendsgiving Thanksgiving giveaway for the holidays. You give 10 and get 10. And you can also check out how to add, just becoming a customer and buying, you get points and rewards. So check out all our we're always adding new items all the time. And they're animal friendly, cruelty free. Say hi, that's my assistant Poker. And I wish you all, everyone, a wonderful Thanksgiving. Take care.